Assalamu alaikum. In this video, you will learn how to create code in MATLAB for any mathematical equation and plot its graph. Also, we are going to solve some source-free RL circuit, and for this purpose, we are taking an example from engineering book by William Hyde, Engineering Circuit Analysis. So let's start with some basic mathematical equation. So here we have an equation y is equals to exponent x upon 2. And the value of x, we are considering that it's from minus 2 to 10. It's less than 10 and greater than minus 2. Okay, so let's design a code on MATLAB. Okay, so first we have to give the value of x is from minus 2 with an increment of 0.5 to 10, semicolon. Y is equals to exponent x upon 2, semicolon. If you don't do this termination sign, then it will execute the program. Plot x comma y here we get the graph, so we should provide some labeling into this graph, like x label, y label, and give it a title. Exponential graph. So as you can see that we have plotted our expression here, and we have given a title exponential graph. On the x-axis we have given x variable and y variable. So these are some command here, and the value of x you can see that is from x minus 2 to 10 with an increment of 0.5. So when you want to give an increment of 1, you can change this thing 1 with 1. Okay. Okay, so let's move towards our next circuit, which is RL circuit, source free RL circuit. We have taken an example from William Hyde, as I told you before. It's chapter 8, example 8.2. Okay, so we have to plot the response of a RL circuit and find the voltage in the circuit when t is from 0 to 0.5. And we have to compute the time constant tau of the circuit and record the voltage drop at each tau till 5 tau. So here we have a circuit diagram here, you can see, and in the circuit you can see that t is greater than 0 and is equals to 0. At that time the switch is open. So when the t is less than 0, the switch is closed and voltage is provided and current is provided by this battery. When the switch is open, this inductor, which is charged when t is less than 0, which is charged, and this will provide a charge to the circuit. Okay, this is the simple RL circuit, and it will become source free RL circuit when t is equals to 0 or greater than 0. And we all know that inductor act as a short path in a DC circuit. So when the switch is closed, it acting as a short path. So we can find that current in this path when the switch is closed. When the switch is closed, you can see that this resistor and this resistance is become parallel. Okay, so in parallel you already know that in parallel current distribute and voltage remains same. So voltage across this path will be 24 and the resistance only be 10 ohms, as this thing is acting as a short path. So the formula we can apply is simply Ohm's law, and we can find the current in the circuit like this. So the current of inductor will be 2.4 ampere, and when the switch is open, and it is not providing the voltage to the circuit, this will act as a battery or a source. Initial current will be 2.4 ampere, and now we have to find when the switch is open voltage across R1. So the voltage across R1 will become this thing and this resistor. R1 and R2 will be in series, and but we have to find the voltage across R1. So we can easily just multiply the ampere current to the resistance by applying a simple Ohm's law formula. And the time constant of this circuit will be L upon R. The R will be 50 ohm, just because 40 and 10 ohms are in series, and in series we have to sum the resistance. Inductance is 5 Henry. This is the simple time constant tau formula for RL circuit, and the time constant we have find is 0.1 second. So in this formula you can see that we have V naught exponent minus T upon tau, and Vt is basically telling you the voltage at given time. So when you have a time from like 0 to 5 and 0.5, so you have to decide at what time you want to find the voltage in the circuit. So V naught is basically the initial voltage, which is this 96. This will be our initial voltage, and let's move towards the next thing. Like we have to draw this, its expression in MATLAB. So in MATLAB, V naught is equals to 96 semicolon, and the time will be from 0 increment of 0.05 to 0.6, and tau is equals to 0.1 . Let's drive our expression, which is basically V naught into exponent minus T upon tau. Now we are going to plot this x comma y, sorry, t comma y, x label, y label, time, title, source free RL circuit. So here we have the graph. So the initial voltage, you can see that it's initial voltage is 96 and it's decreasing, okay, and time is from 0 to 0.6 with an increment of 0.05. So now we should find the time constant tau, 1 tau, 2 tau, 3 tau and 4 tau and 5 tau. Okay, at 1 tau is basically 0.1, and how I just know this thing, let's open an Excel file for this. Okay, so the R is this and L, and R is basically our 50 ohm and L is 5, and the formula for the tau is L upon R. So the value of L is this, L divided by R. This is for 1 tau, and we should multiply it from this, like we have to write it here as, okay, sorry, let's do it again. 1 tau, 2 tau, 3 tau, 4 tau, 5 tau. Okay, so I'm adding in the formula with a bracket here, and it's going to be multiplied by this thing. Okay, so at the values we can find from at 1 tau, value will be 35.32, the voltage drop. Okay, and at 0.2 it's 12.99. At 3 tau it's 4.78. 4 tau it's 1.758, and at 5 tau 0.6468. Okay, let's see the initial value, which is 96. If I am going to calculate its 63%, like this 63%, I have to multiply it 0.63. or 0.37. So I'm telling you that how much drop happened here. So we can calculate it from that. The value, initial value was 96. Initial value is 96 minus 35.32. The voltage drop is approximately 60.68, which is I will say that it's 63%. The drop is 63%. At 1 tau, the drop is 63%, and at 5 tau is approximately 90%. You can calculate it like this: 35.32 divided by 96, and I can multiply it with 100, so I can easily get the answer. Okay, so you can see that it's 36.79 and it's 35.32, so it's approximately equal. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I will share the link of the book in the description. Thank you.